Welcome to this video tutorial where we're going to show you how to send a mass email through Infinite Campus. So here's a page with step-by-step directions. This kind of lines up with that page that is linked in the presentation. I'm not going to go through these, but this might be a good place for you to pause and follow through step by step. All right, once you log into Infinite Campus, if you're using the old view of Infinite Campus, you're going to need to be sure that you're on the instruction side of IC. Otherwise, if you're using this new view, the steps are pretty much the same. So over on the left side menu bar, you're going to go down to Communication, and you're going to select Message Center. And that brings up this page. And up at the top, you're going to select New. Now there's different types of messages that you can create. So right here where it says message type, there's a drop down. The class message is the one that I'm going to demonstrate for you. This is where you can type the message and kind of plug in the pieces that you want. There's a grades message, although this one is not super helpful because all it really says is your student has earned a grade in this class. Please go to the portal and check it out. It doesn't fill in the grade that they're earning. And then the missing assignments message is really helpful because it creates a list for each student of the missing assignments that they have. So we're going to leave it as class message and template it new. The neat thing here is you can schedule when it's going to be delivered. So you can schedule a date and a time. But the important thing to remember is right here where it says reply to email, you're going to want to put your email address so that anyone receiving this message can respond back to you. So then we're going to give it a title. And in the message of the body, you can type whatever you'd like. So perhaps you're letting parents know your families. This is a heads up. We will be assessing Unit 2 skills in a game on Friday. And you could give also some more details here. You can link things in as an attachment. You can have it fill in some spaces, but this is just an example. And then you're going to hit next. And here's where you can select your recipients. So if you click here, you can click the different classes that you have that you would like to send this message to. So let's say that this is my geometry class. So I want to send it to all of my geometry students because that's where I'm going to be working on this assessment. Again, you're going to hit next. And then this would be where you can confirm when, with the date and time that it's going to be sent and how many people are going to be receiving this message, and then also the text of that message. And then you're going to go ahead and hit send. Now, I'm not going to hit send because I don't want to send this generic practice message to somebody, but this would be where you would hit send. An additional feature that you might want to look into is once you've sent the message and you want to confirm that it's been sent, again, you're going to go to communication and you're going to go right here to this sent message log. And that's going to bring up this page here. And you can choose your dates here and you can check when you've sent messages in between those times. And then it'll come up and show you the different messages that you've sent. If you click on it, it will also show you the message that you've sent and who it's been sent to. All right, so just a few things to remember. Be sure to change that reply to email address to your email address so that students and families can respond to your email with questions. There is a more detailed step-by-step instructions with some pictures in it that are linked to the participation doc if that went too quickly for you. But also don't forget to check the sent message log to confirm that your messages have been sent. If you have any questions or you need support during the year, you can contact your instructional coaches or you can contact the content specialist as well.